Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Measure precisely 110 g almond flour, 200 g powdered sugar, 90 g egg whites, and 50 g granulated sugar for the meringue. Sift almond flour and powdered sugar together twice to remove lumps and create a fine, dry mix. Separate eggs and let 90 g egg whites age at room temperature for 24 hours if possible. Aged whites whip more consistently. Prepare 2 baking sheets with silicone mats or parchment over a template. Set aside a piping bag with a 10 mm round tip and a kitchen scale for accurate portioning. Whip 90 g egg whites to soft peaks, then add 50 g granulated sugar gradually and whip to stiff glossy peaks. You should see firm peaks that hold shape. Gently fold the sifted 110 g almond flour and 200 g powdered sugar into the meringue using the macaronage method. Fold until batter flows in a thick ribbon and disappears in about 10 seconds when dropped. Transfer to a piping bag, pipe 3. 5 cm rounds 2 cm apart on silicone mats. Tap the sheet to release air bubbles and rest the shells 30 minutes until a dry. Preheat oven to 150 degrees C and bake one sheet at a time for 12-15 minutes. Shells should rise, develop feet, and sound hollow when tapped. Let shells cool completely on the sheet before removing. Match similar-sized shells and pipe 150 g chocolate ganache or 200 g buttercream onto one shell, then sandwich gently to spread filling evenly. Place assembled macarons in an airtight container and refrigerate for 24 hours to mature flavor and texture. Bring to room temperature for 30 minutes before serving for best chew and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.